Okay guys, it's about 2:30 in the morning now. I just got home. I was plowing all night. Well, attempting to plow. We didn't get much done. We actually got stuck for about 4 hours. I had to take the truck out. It's another story. But this is what I come home to. That's the mailbox. Oh, you can't see shit until I get in the light. Sorry. But, well, there. I think that's my car. It's completely buried. It's about third of the way up the garage door. Quarter of the way, maybe. I think this is my car. Let's investigate, shall we? Oh shit, it's deep here. Whoa! Ah! Alright. This, guys, is the top of the fender. And yeah, that's where it's at. That's how deep it is. There's a mirror. And that's all the shit that's sitting on top of it. Here's the CRV, you can see that one. It's pretty buried. Here's the garage door. Oh. I don't even know if I can get in these fucking things. Hold on. Ooh. Not that far up the lamppost. Shit's frozen. So close on. Come on, baby. Yeah. Pretty crazy. Oh, the plow truck finally. Holy shit. Oh. Alright. So you guys get an idea here. Yeah. And this was snow blow. We snow blew this thing 2-3 times maybe. So about over there is kind of what you're looking at. I mean, you can see it's all the way stacked up against the house over here. It's a drift. But you know, about ball level. A part of my French, but it's right up there to get you nice and cold in that nether region. So just let you guys know. You know, stay safe out there. Have fun. Get away from the snow plows and go sledding. If you bought a snowmobile, you son of a bitch, you're lucky. Anyway, good night, guys.